Hello everyone and welcome to NG Platinum Luxury, and today's review is going to be about Drummonds. And we visited Drummonds Luxury Showroom on King's Road in London. And if you know anything about Drummonds, you may or may not know that they are a very high-end, ultra-luxury, handmade plumbing fixture showroom and manufacturer. So I really enjoyed my time there. The designers there were great. They very knowledgeable about their products. And I have to say the showroom manager there was amazing. He actually had me jump into an award-winning tub, which I wouldn't normally do. But he said, you know what, this is such a great tub. You can't just look at it. You have to actually sit inside of it to see for yourself how amazing it is. And I did so. And that was great. I do have a lot of videos from their showroom showing some of their specialty fixtures, tubs, hand-painted tubs that you can check out, which you will find amazing. If you're a follower of mine in the US or in London, I would definitely consider checking out Drummonds and visiting their showroom there. You won't be disappointed. Until next time, keep designing your life, and I'll see you in the next one.